Hi there, my name is Ruth Pringle and I am chatting with my business partner, Jenny.
Hi, I'm Jenny.
So, welcome if you are watching this live, but especially a big welcome to you if you are watching this recorded, because this means that you have received a golden ticket. And the purpose of this conversation is to share with you what that means for you and a little bit of background as to why we are inviting you to take part in this offer. So I've got some numbers to share with you, Jenny.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought it might be quite a nice way of introducing what we're doing. So this is my first number 1, as you can see.
Like the nice balloon behind you, yes.
What does the number 1 mean for us?
Well, we're coming up to 1 year in business together, aren't we?
Mhm.
Which is quite
Yeah.
exciting.
Yes. So yeah, we are we have both been English coaches for numbers of years. I think we worked out that there was decades of experience between us in terms of English language coaching. But we're in our first year as a partnership, and that's worth celebrating. I feel it's been
It is definitely worth
brilliant so
celebrating.
far. I've got another number for you.
Mhm.
This is referring to the golden tickets.
Oh, okay. So golden tickets, this is what we're doing as part of our 1 year celebration. So golden tickets, the number 2 refers to the fact that we're offering 2 conversation sessions free for anyone with a golden ticket, right?
Absolutely. That's why I got number 2, and I'll move straight on to another number. Try and get it the right way around.
25. So it's the end of 2025.
Definitely. That's number 1 reason. It's the end of 2025, which is possibly a nice deadline.
Mhm.
If you have received a golden ticket, you might want to accept this as your challenge to transform your English before the end of the year. There's still time. We know
Mhm.
that November and December is a crazy time of year for most people. So we're not asking for great levels of commitment. It's just an invitation. If you're free, come and join us. Come and
Yeah,
pop in.
and the other thing with the 25 is that we have 25 golden tickets to give away.
Yes. So, well, 25 people are receiving 2 golden tickets. So we are giving away like invites to 50 conversations. Why are we doing that? That's mental. I don't get any into it.
It's going to be fun.
Yeah, I mean, we are starting with the number 25 because we're sort of celebrating the end of the year, and that's a manageable number of people to help initially. But we have got more number 2s.
Yeah,
Want to
so
explain this, or shall I explain this?
I will attempt to, and if you want to expand on what I say, you can
Yep.
feel free to do that. So we're sending out invites to 2 conversation sessions, and if you accept, you want to join us for those 2 sessions, you will then have the opportunity to invite 2 more friends or colleagues or other creatives to join us each for 2 more sessions. So once you've done that, if those 2 friends and colleagues accept your invitation, you can have access to another 2 conversation sessions.
Yes, I mean slightly. I kind of had it as one you invite one friend, and then you unlock 2 more lessons,
Okay.
conversations for yourself, and your friend also gets 2 more conversations. I think that's probably better. So use your 2 absolutely unconditionally. If you want to stay and be part of the conversations that are happening, you need to invite one friend who joins us, and then you get 2 more conversations. And they get 2 more conversations. And then after their 2 conversations, they can invite 1 person and they get 2 more conversations. So it snowballs. So really, the challenge for us is how many people can we get activated about their English before the end of 2025. You don't need a picture for that, which is slightly why I'm using the graphic of the slinky, because when you use the slinky, it just takes a little nudge and then the momentum is off. It has started. So this is what it means if you get a golden ticket. Please do come and take advantage. Oh, I've got one more number that we need to be clear about.
Oh, what's this number for, Ruth?
Just say it's absolutely free. Just there's no trap. There's no like we're not gonna stick you with any kind of like you've done this now you have to pay for this. We are offering this absolutely free because we want to spread the word. We want to help a lot of people with their English. We want True Voice English to have had an impact helping artists, creatives, and designers with their English by the beginning of next year. So it's, I think, a really superb, interesting offer to take part in. Sign up for it if you have got a golden ticket, and we will be emailing you all the details and links. Okay. Thank you, Jenny. Thanks for chatting. Are you excited?
Very excited. Yes. Looking forward to sending out the invites and seeing who joins us, because we're starting next week.
Next week, yeah. Don't wait. Let's get cracking. So invitations, golden tickets going out in the next couple of days. And the first conversation is, did we agree it was this Monday?
I think so.
That's quite soon. Okay, yes. And then it's Monday and Wednesdays right up until Christmas. Cool. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Thanks for watching. Bye.